In this video, I'll show you how to build your own bundle on your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. Throughout this video, I'll show you two display options in how you can allow customers to build their own bundle. So the first one is what we've got here. It's a typical product page. The only difference is here we've got this option which says create your own, well, we could say bundle, for example. We can customize this text, and then when the customers clicks on it, then we'll give them a list of products to choose from so they can build their own bundle. So for example, I can choose this here and this here. And in this case, we're displaying a fixed price bundle, okay? So regardless of the items that the customer choose, we'll still charge them $45 regardless of their selection. Whereas in this example here, we're charging customers per item. And then at the end of it, we can give them a optional discount, whether it's a percentage or a fixed amount or even no discount, okay? So we'll just add it to our cart, choose our selection. So this is a variable product. So we'll have to choose our variation here. And then here we can see obviously the price, same products, but the pricing strategy is completely different in this case. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the Mix and Match Products plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the Mix and Match product plugin by AovUp, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, upload and install the plugin. Okay, we'll just scroll down to where it says Mix and Match, and we just need to make sure we enable this option, okay? So navigate over to products, all products. Okay, and throughout this video, I'm assuming you've already created a set of products that you want to group into a bundle, okay? So for example, I've already got this product created in our system, right? Essentially, we can group all of these products here into a bundle. So I'm assuming you've already got these individual products already created. And now we're just going to be creating our bundle to group everything together, okay? So we'll just click add new. So I've already created one beforehand. So I'm going to edit this one here. Okay. And it's just like any regular product. So we'll enter in the product name, in this case, the bundle name. We can add a description. It's optional. We can add a featured image as well. We can also choose a category. And the most important thing is where it says product data. We just need to select Mix and Match product here. Okay. And then on this left-hand side, we'll see this Mix and Match product selection. I'm going to quickly remove all of these. Where it says applies to, we've got three options, right? So we've got three different ways in how we can include products onto this particular bundle. So we can choose the products individually. We can choose it based on the product category or even a tag, okay? So let's say, for example, we can select a category and then just specify that we want to display all products within our alarms category within this bundle, okay? And then customers will be able to choose from all products within that category, or we can just choose it manually. So I'm just going to select products here, and I can just search for the products that I want to include in this bundle. Okay, and then here where it says fixed price, so we've got two options. So we can have this bundle be a fixed price. So we can say it's $100 for this bundle, and customers can choose up to 5 items, okay? And regardless which items they choose, it will still be $100. Or we can say per item, meaning we're going to charge customers based on the value of that particular item, okay? And then at the end, we can offer a discount, whether that's a fixed amount off or a percentage or even no discount. And then here where it says minimum quantity, here we get to specify the minimum quantity that the customer needs to add to their bundle. And we can also do the same for the maximum as well. So we can say you can choose anywhere from 4 to 10 items within this bundle, or we can say the customer has to choose a specific amount, okay? So we can say the minimum is 4 and also the maximum is 4. So essentially they have to choose 4 items for this bundle. So we can enable this custom message here. And then we've got two display options with this plugin. So we can display our bundle in a pop-up, or we can have it embedded on the page. Okay, so depending on your theme, you might need to have it displayed in a pop-up format, okay? So if you remember in the intro, I showed you two different display methods. So one triggered by the pop-up, and then the other, which is just embedded on the page, okay? So let's go ahead with this pop-up option first, and then we'll just hit publish, and then we'll go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, so we'll click create option, so we can rename this text as well. I'll show you in a second how we go about renaming it. So we'll just choose our selection. Okay, and then once we're finished, we can add a custom message, and then we can just add this to our basket. And if we look in our basket, when we scroll down, we'll see the individual selections that we selected, okay? So let's quickly customize this button here, and then we'll show you the different layout that you can choose from. So let's head back over to our dashboard. Let's navigate to this menu here. In the future, it will say AovUp, and then we'll navigate to mix and match products. Okay, and here we can customize this text here. So we can say choose bundle, for example. Let's save changes, and then let's go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, here it says choose bundle. So that's working fine. So let's head back over to our dashboard now, and then we'll disable this pop-up method. So let's untick this option. Let's hit publish, and then let's refresh this page. Okay, and then here it's embedded onto our page. Okay, so as I said, this method won't work with all themes, right? So in that case, if it doesn't, then it makes sense to use the pop-up option. Okay, but essentially the functionality will be the same. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.